Hello friends. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create the destruction energy effect. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to see the next videos. First, I create a layer and change its name to a circle. I draw a circle from the center of the screen by holding the Alt and Shift buttons. The red color is suitable for it, you can choose other colors. I take a copy of the circle and make it smaller. I make its color brighter. I take another copy of the circle and make it smaller. I make it white. With the Select Shape tool, I select each of the circles and activate the soft edge effect for all three layers. I press Ctrl+R to see the result. I double-click on the circle layer and activate the noise effect in the vectors section. I also activate the noise effect for other circles, but each circle has different offset values. I select all three layers and put them in a group layer. I create a new layer and rename it to Light. I draw a circle from the center of the screen by holding the Alt and Shift buttons. I just activate the stroke of the circle and make it red. I increase the thickness of the stroke with the Line Width tool. I increase the number of points with the help of the Split tool. I hide some of the middle strokes with the Hide Edge tool. Now I set the amount of stroke for each point. I select the Transform tool and place the slider in frame 1. In frame 1, I set the angle value to 0 by pressing the Reset button. This key must be in linear mode. I put the slider in frame 30 and set the angle value to 360. I double-click on the light layer and disable scale compensation. For continuous shape rotation, I activate the cycle option. In the Style section, I activate the Advanced option, and in the Effects section, I activate Soft Edge. I take a copy of the light layer and rotate it with the Rotate tool. I take 3 more copies of the light layer and repeat the same thing. For each layer, I slightly change the location of the frame so that the speed of the lights is different. I put 5 light layers in a layer group. I put it under the circle layer. I take a copy of the light group and place it above the circle group. In the light 2 group, I make the color of all shapes white. I also remove the soft edge for all 5 layers. And by pressing the Ctrl button plus A, I select all the points and reduce the stroke value with the line weight tool. I repeat this for all 5 layers. I take a copy of the Circle 3 layer and place it on top of the circle group. I disable its noise effect. I put all the layers in a group. I copy this group. I double-click on the new group and change the opacity and blur radius values. I increase the number of points in all circle layers so that the noise effect works better. I put both group layers in another group layer. Now I can rotate it with the rotate tool. I take 2 more copies of this group and change their location. I render it so you can see the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, goodbye for now.